I have a surprise for you. Come here. Come here.
What?
Walk out there.
Huh?
Walk out there.
Walk out where?
Out there.
Keep on walking. Keep on walking. Keep on walking. Get in front of us. Get in front of us. Get in front of me.
So is that the kind of convertible that you think you'd like?
Are you kidding me?
Oh.
What?
Well, go look at it.
Oh, look.
It's my car! Look at it!
Happy graduation.
We went all the way to
Thank you!
we went all the way to Atlanta to get this. Like,
You're kidding!
no, we're
Nope,
not.
I'm not kidding.
Oh my gosh!
Your car right here.
Unbelievable!
Here's why we're keeping it a secret, so we can get money.
I had to pay them to keep their mouths shut.
It's my car! Oh my gosh!
We'll start it up. It's better than your car.
Oh,
Now you get to take and get everybody rides.
oh my gosh!
I know.
This is...
Is the radio on?
Oh.
Now, turn the radio on. The CD on.
Yeah. Your car's back.
Recognize who that is?
Yes, it's
Gem Blossoms.
the Gin Blossoms. Oh my gosh!
You want to go for a ride?
Yes, I want to go for a ride.
Can it be with me?
No?
No, you are ready for a ride.
Unbelievable!
Yeah, and then you get to drive it all the way back.
They both work.
They both, yeah, everything on it works, hon. No dents.
No.
The window works.
Oh my gosh! This fuck
We still get paid, right?
Yes.
this is a good looking.
He's not crying.
Wow!
It's okay. You're happy crying though.
Yes!
Ow, ow, hot air, ow,
Look at this. This is a nice looking car.
That's
You want to go for it?
Yeah.